Hello, everyone. This is our Project 6 for English 3060. Our purpose for this presentation is to discuss how AI impacts the computer science job market. My name is Yusuf El-Tobji. I'm currently a sophomore studying computer science.
My name is Hector Hernandez, sophomore studying computer science.
I'm Jake Arnold, a junior and also studying computer science.
My name is Shafiul Islam. I'm a sophomore studying for electrical engineering.
My name is Abad Aziz, and I'm a junior studying computer science. So we kind of structured our presentation to kind of 5 categories. We first have background information, then we'll discuss the positives and negatives of AI. We'll then go on to industry statistics and trends, and we'll finally end it off with some recommendations.
The computer science market offers diverse careers: software development, creating, designing, testing, and maintaining applications; system administration manages and maintains IT infrastructure; database management involves organizing, storing, and securing data to ensure accessibility; cybersecurity protects system networks and data from cyber threats; and lastly, data science, analyzing and interprets data to uncover insights, inform decisions, and drive innovations. These fields shape the digital world, providing opportunities to innovate, protect, and analyze technology and data. Before AI, first the internet. Rapid growth in internet-based businesses created a demand for web developers and IT professionals. Second, mobile phone development. The launch of smartphones and app stores led to a surge in demand for mobile app developers. Finally, big data. Companies began collecting vast amount of data, driving demand for data analysis and data engineers. Now, computer science is focusing on AIs.
AI is reshaping the job market in powerful and exciting ways. Let's start with efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing developers to focus on innovation and solving complex problems. Next, it's creating new roles. For example, positions like AI trainers and prompt engineers are emerging, roles that didn't exist just a few years ago. Collaboration is another area where AI shines. It acts as a partner, assisting in debugging, code optimization, and testing, making these processes faster and more accurate. Finally, AI encourages upskilling as professionals gain expertise in areas like machine learning, data science, and AI ethics. This helps individuals stay competitive while advancing their careers in a rapidly evolving field. In short, AI isn't taking jobs away, it's transforming them and unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. Going off the positives I mentioned so far, let's step into the future that Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, envisions. He says learning AI technologies will keep people employed and create new job opportunities. Altman's points highlight that AI isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation. By learning to work with AI, professionals can expand their capabilities, adapting to new roles, and even enter emerging fields like AI ethics, prompt engineering, or AI operations. This isn't just a shift in how we work, it's a transformation that creates opportunities for everyone willing to grow within new technology.
So we'll start with how AI is transforming the way we work in computer science. AI tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT are automating a lot of the stuff that used to be done by junior programmers, like debugging, testing, or even writing basic code. This means fewer of those foot in the door roles that new grads rely on to build their careers. It's not all bad though. AI is also creating demand for specialized roles like machine learning engineers and even people who can optimize these AI tools for specific industries. The catch is that these roles require a much more or deeper skill set. So instead of just knowing how to code, you might need expertise in data science or, advanced machine learning frameworks. It makes it harder for people to just jump in or switch careers into tech. And then Gartner predicts that by 2025, about 30% of software development tasks will be fully automated. When you think about it, that's a huge shift, not just for the grads, but for the entire field, because the entry point is moving further up the skill ladder. Now we'll talk about Timnit Gebru. She's kind of a big name in AI ethics. She used to lead Google's ethical AI team and spent a lot of time researching how AI affects people, especially the workforce. One of her big points is that AI doesn't just create new opportunities, it also displaces people, especially in those entry-level tech roles. What really brought her into the spotlight was a research paper that she co-authored. In it, she criticized large AI models like the ones used in tools that we're talking about, saying they could reinforce societal biases and cause long-term harm. This paper made waves because it wasn't just about tech, it was about the people. It questioned whether companies were moving too fast without thinking about the consequences. But here's where it gets controversial is she wanted Google to take more responsibility for these issues, but instead they terminated her position. This sparked a massive debate about tech companies dealing with ethics and accountability, and people saw it as a wake-up call. And are these tools being developed with society's best interest in mind, or is it just for profit? She's been really vocal since then, calling for companies to slow down, involve more diverse voices, and make sure workers aren't left behind as AI reshapes industries. And I think her story shows how, even in tech, these ethical concerns directly tie back to the job market. So, then what does this mean for the future of computer science careers? Well, fewer entry level jobs means a lot of people are going to have trouble gaining experience. Without those foundational roles, it's harder for new graduates or career changers to, get their start in the field. And as AI tools take over routine tasks like testing and debugging, the demand is shifting to high skill AI related roles that require way more training and specialized expertise. It's not just about learning to code anymore, it's about understanding the AI algorithms, data science, and even the ethics that compete in this evolving job market. And according to LinkedIn's 2023 report, job postings for AI specialists have gone up by 35%, but postings for general programming roles have dropped by 20%. It's a big shift, and it's making the job market more competitive for people without those niche skills. In the end, we're not saying AI is destroying jobs, it's just changing them. And honestly, it's creating a pretty tough transition for a lot of people in the tech world. The challenge is figuring out how to adapt to this new landscape, especially when the opportunities aren't evenly distributed.
So now let's delve into some stats and statistics and trends about computer science market. So the Bureau of Labor Statistics mentions how computer technology occupations will grow by 15% from 2021 to 2031. A lot of people think AI will completely take over, but that's not the case because of this. But it's not also all good because over 260,000 tech employees have been laid off in 2023, and a large part of it was due to AI. Not all of it, some was just because of the recession as well. But AI is also getting more important as businesses have over 50% of businesses have integrated AI into their operations, with more on the way. Here's a graph of some job postings for data science related jobs. Data science jobs aren't all of computer science jobs, it's a specific subsector of it. And it's one that's being hit most by AI automation. As you can see, around 2022, when AI became more popular, it's when it's peaked, but like as AI became more popular, the data science job postings began to decline as AI started to take over some of those jobs. So lost jobs. As I mentioned previously, the U.S. of Bureau of Labor Statistics mentions how 260,000 tech employees were laid off, mainly due to AI. This is mainly because AI is also automating many computer science jobs. On the right, you can see a cartoon which shows how this is working. You can see how like computers are like taking over the jobs while actually humans are getting laid off. This just shows how humans are worried that their jobs are going to be taken over by AI. So these are some jobs that AI, specific jobs in the computer science market that AI is set to automate. These are like software and quality assurance testers are like testing codes. We have basic coding. We have resolving tech issues like help desks and chatbots and data input analysis. These are all kind of monotonous work that AI can easily do because AI is just built on algorithms. And these type of jobs don't really have that much human creativity. That's why AI it's so easy for AI to replace it and automate it. But it's not all doom. There are some new jobs that AI has brought into the new computer science market. AI is kind of like a revolutionary technology similar to the internet. Like how in the internet first came out, a lot of people were worried that it's going to take over jobs. But the internet actually gave more opportunity, created more opportunities, and us humans were able to adapt to it. So AI is creating more specialized roles specifically for AI. Here are some specialized roles like AI machine learning, which is basically designing the algorithms for AI. And then there's some about architecture, creating architecture techniques, optimizing AI modules, and just being able to interpret visual data. So all of these jobs are like kind of AI related. They're like some stuff that require human creativity and just like AI in general. People, coders, computer science people will just need to learn more about the AI, and these jobs are rapidly expanding. So to summarize the job market, because I know I said there's some jobs are being opened up and jobs are being closed down, but AI is just a disruptor for the computer science job market. It's affected in both positive and negative ways. It's created new opportunities with specialized AI roles, but it's also got rid of some more monotonous traditional roles that are being automated by AI. So the future outlook, well, AI will forever be tied to computer science, the computer science market, just because of the nature of it. AI's code and computer science is a lot of computer science is coding, but it's not the CS market, computer science market that AI is going to be attached to. It's the whole economy in general. As you can see, McKinsey and Company article wrote that AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. So it's not just going to affect computer science, it's going to affect the whole industry, like every market. And on the graph on the right, you can kind of see um, the money that's being placed, the money that AI is bringing in. Companies that brought AI into their to their business, they gained 122% more money, and then you can see it gets a little lower, 10% more money when you gain it when you put when you put AI a little later, and then you actually get negative profit if you don't use AI at all.
We have learned how AI is transforming computer science jobs. Now let's explore how we can prepare for these changes. The first recommendation is focusing on learning AI and machine learning through online courses. Second recommendation is mastering programming languages like Python, C++. The third recommendation is gaining experience with AI tools and data. And the final recommendation is to contribute to open source projects. We will now dive into his recommendations in detail. One of the best ways to prepare for the rise of AI is by building a solid foundation through online courses. Morris, an AI researcher, highlights that these courses offer a double benefit. They teach you essential skills in a structured way and provide certificates that make your resume stand out. For example, Andrew Nigg's machine learning course on Coursera not only explains the basics of AI, but also gives you hands-on projects to apply your knowledge. Morris also points out that these certifications and practical experiences show employers you're ready to adapt to AI-driven roles, making them a great first step in preparing for the future of AI. Programming is at the heart of AI, and mastering the right languages is critical. Alexis Castellanos, a program manager of data science at the University of Michigan, emphasizes that Python and C++ are especially important for AI and machine learning, while Java and JavaScript are useful for broader applications. Learning these languages prepares us to build AI models, work with data, and solve complex problems. By focusing on programming now, we're building the technical foundation needed to succeed in roles that require creativity and problem solving, areas where AI can't fully replace human input. AI is also becoming a key tool for working with data, and learning how to use it is important. Noha Ghanem, a data scientist at Ford Computer Company, talks about how AI helps with tasks like summarizing ideas and writing code, which are becoming more common in data science. By getting hands-on experience with AI tools, we are learning to work with large sets of data, find important patterns, and keep up with new technology. Noha emphasizes that being flexible and always learning is crucial for staying competitive in the job market driven by AI. Developing these skills will help us be ready for jobs that need both data knowledge and AI skills. Hands-on experience is just as important as learning the basics and contributing to open source projects is one of the best ways to get it. Abrav, an experienced open source contributor, explains that working on AI projects on platforms like GitHub helps you build real-world skills. You learn how to fix problems, add new features, work with other developers, which prepares for teamwork needed in tech jobs. Open source contributors also show your skills to potential employers and help you make connections in the industry. This kind of experience is crucial for standing out in the job market that is going to be influenced by AI. With these strategies, we can build a strong foundation for success in an AI-powered job market.
In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming the job market by both displacing in some roles and creating new opportunities. Adaptability through reskilling and lifelong learning is crucial for thriving in this evolving landscape. While AI can disrupt, it also enables innovation and progress. By fostering ethical practices, addressing social impacts, and bridging the skill gap, we can ensure AI benefits everyone and drives a more equitable, efficient, and innovative workforce.
This is our works cited, and this is our other slide of the works cited, and that is it. Thank you guys for listening.